Hi guys, it's Habib here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to remove the background of a green effect or a video with the green background. Something like the subscribe button that we do add on our videos. So we want the video to look professional, a bit professional. So it won't sound well to add a video with a green background. Bro, there's a way that you do that. So now, which of the editing apps are you using to edit your YouTube videos? If you're a beginner YouTuber or a growing YouTuber, welcome to Habib's channel. Let me know in the comment section down below the app that you use to edit your YouTube video or the software you use to edit your YouTube video. I use CapCut to edit my thumbnails and use Inshot to edit my YouTube videos. So now, without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you'll be here with us, Aquaba, as usual. So as I said, I'm going to help you to do away with the green background effect of any of the videos that you select. Sometimes we do pick, videos with a green background, just add it to our video so that it will look a bit professional. But why will you do that knowing that you can do away with the green effect so that it will left with that effect only? Something like this, the subscribe button. Especially, I've seen a lot of people that do add the subscribe button to their videos with the green effect. Bro, you can do that because there are a lot of effects, especially for the subscribe button or maybe like button or comment that has green background. How will you do that, or how do you remove that on the Inshot app? This feature in particular is being hidden from you guys. And if you're not someone who uses the app frequently, you know. So if you're a beginner YouTuber also who wants to know the good apps that are helping a lot of YouTubers, CapCut is one, Inshot is another. Which one are you using? Let us know in the comment section down below. Now let me take you guys to my screen and share with you how to find that green background remover. Now let's head on to the Inshot app. As I told you, it's not CapCut, Inshot. Okay, Inshot. Now I've been using this application since day one. That's the app I've been using to edit my video because it looks a bit easier compared to CapCut. But CapCut has a lot of features also compared to Inshot. Now let's hit on video. We assuming that we are gonna upload a video, so let's hit on new. Now it's in. So this is the video. I want to add the subscribe button or any video with a green background. So let me go to PIP. From PIP, it will take you to your gallery. So these are free stock footages. These are free stock footages that I downloaded from the internet. So if you want me to do another video where you can get to select a lot of free footages and add them to your videos so that it will look a bit professional and resonate with your story, just let me know in the comment section down below so that I can show you the websites where I get these free stock footages. So these are free stock footages, all these stock. So now let me select the one with the green background effect like this. So this is the subscribe button that I've been using since day one on my videos. So let's see how that sounds. Last time I told you I did it. Have you seen, have you heard that? Listen. Since you're talking to me, right? My God. Yes. We are talking of the subscribe button. Now let's go back. Where is that subscribe button? Now go back to PIP. Let's hit on that subscribe button. Have you seen there's a white thing that came on that video? Let me hit it back. It's gone. Let me hit it again, meaning it is time for you to do something on that particular footage that you brought in. Let's scroll to the left and select cut out. So if you select cut out, this is a feature that has been hidden. Previously it was open. Then you select the Chroma. At first, if you use that app for a long time, you realize that it was open. You can just go, you see Chroma, you hit on it. But now it is been bedded into cut out. So if you don't hit cut out, you won't find this feature. Now let's hit on Chroma. When we hit on Chroma, what we are going to do is just put our hand on that circle and slide it out of that green effect. So let's put our hand, pull it, boom, the green background is gone. Let's hit on this. Now we are done. let's see how professional it looks now. You can still adjust it, and there we go. Listen. Hi guys, it's Habib here. Seems there's something missing, right? My cap. Yes. So, last time I told you I did. And the background is gone. I think you find this video beneficial. Which of the editing apps are you using or the software? Let us know in the comment section down below so that a lot of people will get to know about it. Are you a beginner YouTuber or a growing YouTuber watching me? Congratulations. And if you are a beginner YouTuber, I just wish you all the best to also reach your monetization stage. It's still your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's still your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.